again for taking your time out to watch our videos at National Gear Repair. This here is one of our videos that we're putting together for our client and for our potential clients on YouTube. This is our Lufkin D300 model extruder box that came in from one of our top vendors out in the area. This box here was a planned maintenance rebuild. The end user decided to purchase all these bearings, seals, gearings, and shafts from Lufkin themselves back in 2015. They stood at their storage warehouse out there in up in New York, in upstate New York, for about 5 or 6 years. Then they decided to have us rebuild the unit at the appropriate time. So they sent all of the bearings, seals, shafts, and all the gearing out to our location here in Southern California. We stored it for the customer since the past year, maybe a little over a year, and they have now found the time to do the rebuild. The box came in on Monday, and it's torn apart. Hopefully we took some videos and pictures of it going into the parts washer and doing a disassembly. But we have now installed all their new gearing with all their new bearings. The customer supplied it. Usually National Gear Repair supplies all the parts, but the customer opted to use their own parts. So we are now assembling this, pre-assembling I should say, and then we're going to have our mechanics set all the bearing floats and preloads to Lufkin specs. Then we'll be putting it on our bench here. We're going to be testing it here. So do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave any comments, leave any questions, any concerns you might have. We'd like to answer you. We'd like to hear feedback from our customers. So thank you again.